How the hell do we wind up like this? And why weren't we able to see the signs that we missed and try to turn the tables? I wish you'd unclench your fists and unpack your suitcase. Lately there's been too much of this, but don't think it's too late. Nothing's wrong, just as long as you know that someday I will. Someday, somehow, I'm gonna make it alright, but not right now. I know you're wondering where. Who knows that? Someday, somehow, I'm gonna make it alright, but not right now. I know you're wondering where. Well, I'd hope that since we're here anyway, we could end up saying things